Hey birdies, welcome back to my channel, Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing today? So guys, I'm back again with another reaction video. This is the group Pentagon, and this is Do or Don't. This is their live Japanese version at Breakout. So I hope you guys like it, because I do. I really do love these K-pop, J-pop, C-pop, I-pop, T-pop, P-pop groups. Everyone over there.
I don't care you do or not. 관계나요? No matter what you say. Yeah, yeah. 난 갈 것 할 때 do or not. 와까날거 더 똑같대. 나도 기술 고토바. 맞다 꾸리카 애쓰요. I don't care about you. 하디카레서 calling. I look like the rolling. 장대문 나보고와 김에타 너니와 같은 나도 쓰기 싫진 않아. 코코로가 뭐뭐 어두워 난 가뜩이 싫대요. 이 메테유가 다 메테유가 이 막힘에 때도 올라. 독특라스가 스키니 시대도 올라.
Do, na. Okay. Oh, it do sound like they're singing it live. Do, na. I like those lights. I wonder how much they cost. I like that Pentagon Do or Not Japanese version. I love that. I need to do more reaction videos to you guys. I don't think I've ever reacted to Pentagon. Someone sent that to me and I was like, never heard of them. I really like that. This very cute performance. It sounds like they were singing live, or if not all of them, some of them I could hear them singing and I could hear them breathing as well. So that's a very good performance. I love this group. There's about 7 members in here. Wow, over there, the Asian population, they be having like 600 groups, and all of them eating it. So this is a very good job. So thanks for the one who recommended me to that. I really enjoyed this video. It's very entertaining. One thing about over there is that their people work. They actually give us good performance. So I really appreciate that. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.